Hello guys, today we are discuss hash map the internal working. We see the internal working, each of the step, how to the store the elements and how to we store the everything we see ahead. First is the hashing. So hash map the every operations based on the used to the hashing the each of the find the key of the hash code. So what is the hashing? Hashing the basically the process to convert it into object into the integer value and the integer value help in the find index in searching. Hash map. The hash map, the part of the Java collection framework, is the technique is the hashing, the implement of the map of the interface. Store the element of the key value pair. Hash map is the area of the node, and node is the representation of the class. It is used in the array and linked list data structure internally to store the key value pair, and there is a for the fields. The node find the hash key and value and hash node. We will see the internal structure in the briefly. So hash map is the basically the store the key value, the group of the object, to store the value, the elements, the key value pair. And if the hash map you have the add the duplicate key, the already store the key, label the value, and will store the second element the same key, so that the first key is the replaced to value the second key and return the first key of the value. So bucket. The bucket is the area of the node is called the bucket. Each bucket have the data structure like the linked list. More than one node have the same bucket is made with a different capacity. So meaning means the hash map is the store of the all the elements, the area of the node. Each node have the key and value and S node value. So it is the possible if you more than one elements, the store of the same index and the same index and the store the both the keys the hash collisions to the one node to when the second node is the use the linked list. We will see the way details in the head, how to store the elements, how to find index, everything we will see. So we have to check the find the index of the hash map. Hash map is the find the key of the hash code and mode of the capacity minus one. You can see the one example. We have the Aman. So Aman is the find of the hash code and the key and value and the store the same next node of the value. If next of the node is not available value, it's the available the null value. So we have to find the one of the elements to find the hash code and the find the index of the four and store the four of the index. So now we have to see the hash collision. The hash collision the basically we have the more than one elements and there is the same different hash code but the index is the same. So it is the find the index is the hash code and mode of the search capacity. So that is the equal to 4. So both the elements are the same index. So internally, if the store the one element to second element use the linked list, the key is the same but replaced to the current value. That's it. So hash map performance improve the change the Java 8. So Java 8 after the improve the performance of the hash map because hash map used to the balance of the tree if the one threshold capacity is reached. So after that, the hash map so the change to the store the, all the elements the balance of the tree. The performance is the improve the log ends in the worst cases and the log n is the proper hash code means there is a more than the best cases if you see the hash map the all the key of the distincts and they get the put of the operation log n and the constant the time independently. The same the worst cases the hash map the all the key of the same key the operations and there is a number of the key of the map to the store. The worst case is the log ends the all the keys are the same the different operations that take the log ends and the time capacity the key of the map. So means there is the all the key of the hash code is the similar so the balance tree is the log n but to use the tree the balance of the tree is will be the improved performance because the internal of the tree the store the elements to the if the one of the value to the greater than store the left side otherwise the right side. So that is the internally the balancing of the tree and so that the improve. That's it. Thank you.